Master Coding Beginner's Roadmap to Success. Yo, what's up everyone, it's OnePrint Vista, and we're diving into the world of coding, but like, from scratch. Learning to code as a beginner can be exciting but overwhelming. You're staring at a blank screen, blinking cursor, wondering where to even start. Trust me, we've all been there. That's why in this video we're breaking it all down, step by step, to give you a clear roadmap to coding success. Whether you're dreaming of building apps, websites, or just want to understand the tech world a little better, stick around, and let's get this code compiled. First things first, you gotta pick your weapon of choice. And by weapon, I mean programming language. This is where it gets personal. Ask yourself, what do I want to build? If you're thinking websites, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are your go-tos. Dreaming of data science and AI? Python's your best friend. Want to create apps? Java, Swift, take your pick. Each language has its own strengths. It's like choosing between a powerful sports car and a rugged off-roader. There's no right or wrong answer, just the right tool for the job. Now before you dive headfirst into lines of code, let's talk goals. It's like mapping out a road trip. Without a destination, you're just driving around aimlessly. Start with a short-term goal, like building a simple website or a basic calculator app. This gives you a quick win, a taste of victory. Then, set your sights on something bigger. Maybe it's landing an internship, building a complex web app, or contributing to an open-source project. Having these milestones will keep you focused and motivated when those inevitable coding roadblocks pop up. Alright, you've got your language, your goals are set, now it's time to gear up with the right learning resources. The good news is, there's a ton of amazing and free stuff out there. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, and the Odin Project offer interactive coding tutorials that are basically like video games for learning. You've also got courses on Coursera, edX, Udemy, taught by industry pros. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned book. The key here is to find a learning style that clicks with you. Some people learn best by doing, others by watching, and some by reading. Experiment, find your groove, and get ready to level up. Chapter 4. Laying the Foundation. Mastering the Fundamentals. Now here's where the real work begins. Mastering the fundamentals is like building a house. You can't just slap on a roof without a solid foundation. We're talking about understanding variables, data types, loops, functions, the building blocks of any programming language. This is where you'll probably spend a good chunk of your time. And that's okay. Embrace the learning curve. Practice, 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 and don't be afraid to break things. That's how you learn. Oh, and debugging? Consider it your superpower. The ability to find and fix errors in your code is essential. Chapter 5. From Theory to Reality. Building your first projects. Okay, enough theory, it's time to get your hands dirty and build something real. This is where the excitement really kicks in. Start small. Build a simple to-do list app, a basic weather app, a clone of a classic game, anything that gets you writing code and seeing results. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Those massive apps and websites you admire, they all started with small, manageable projects. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the complexity. And hey, don't forget to show off your work. Create a portfolio on GitHub. It's like your coding resume. Chapter 6. Leveling up your game best practices. As you progress, it's time to step up your game with some industry best practices. This is about writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code. Think of it like organizing your room. Sure, you can live in chaos, but it's a lot easier to find things when everything's in its place. Learn about version control systems like Git, they're lifesavers for tracking changes and collaborating with others. Write clear, well-documented code that even your future self will thank you for. Consistency is key here. Establish good coding habits early on. Here's the thing about coding. You don't have to go it alone. Joining online communities is like having a team of mentors and fellow learners by your side, 24/7. Stuck on a problem? Head over to Stack Overflow, the coding Quanda haven. Looking for inspiration or want to connect with other coders? Join online forums, groups, or attend local meetups. And hey, teaching others is one of the best ways to solidify your own understanding. Share what you've learned, answer questions, and become an active member of the coding community. Let's be real, learning to code is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you're stuck, frustrated, and ready to throw your computer out the window. That's totally normal. The key is to stay motivated and avoid burnout. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Each line of code you write, each problem you solve is a step forward. Take breaks, step away from the screen, and recharge. And most importantly, stay curious. The tech world is constantly evolving, so embrace the learning process and never stop exploring new tools and languages. Once you've got a solid foundation, it's time to expand your skill set and dive into more specialized areas. This is where things get really interesting. Explore popular frameworks and libraries that can streamline your development process. Learn how to integrate APIs, application programming interfaces, to connect your applications with other amazing services. And if you're feeling ambitious, consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to learn from experienced developers, collaborate on real-world projects, and make your mark on the coding world. Congratulations, you've come a long way on your coding journey, but here's the thing, it doesn't end here. The tech world is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is non-negotiable. Stay updated with the latest trends, attend webinars, read industry blogs, and never stop experimenting. Networking is also crucial. Attend conferences, connect with people online, and build relationships within the tech community. And when it comes to job readiness, tailor your resume, build a killer portfolio, and practice your interviewing skills. The opportunities in tech are endless, so go out there and make your mark. So that's the roadmap from complete beginner to coding superstar. By following this roadmap, you'll build a strong foundation and gradually gain confidence. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Persistence is your greatest tool. Don't get discouraged if it seems overwhelming at first. Break it down, set realistic goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. The tech world needs your creativity and problem-solving skills, so go out there, write some awesome code, and build the future you envision.